Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen the types of resources. Today we will see resource planning. So our chapter resources and development, chapter 1 of geography. In that we will see the topic resource planning. So overusage of resources caused many problems. So resource planning is important. Now, how this usage of resources caused problem? What problem the over usage of resources caused? So, in the first problem is, we will see first all the problems. So, first problem is depletion of resources. Because of the depletion of resources, the over usage of resources happening, and it will not left for the future generation. Second is global ecological crisis. Now what is mean by global ecological crisis? Means all ecological crisis of environment. Okay, all ecological crisis of environment means environment is damaging because of the over usage of resources. Next is accumulation in few hands. That means those who are very rich, they are using the resources in a high amount, and those who are very poor, they are using the resources in low amount. Like those who are very rich, they are using the petrol in their cars also, in their bikes also, and those who are very poor, they are using only cycles. So accumulation is also in few hands only. Now next is fourth, unequal distribution of resources. Now unequal distribution means the resources distribution is unequal over the earth. In some states there are so many resources, and in other states there are very less resources. Like the sunlight you will found in Rajasthan so much, but in Jammu Kashmir it is very less. Also, you will find coal mines in Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, but you will not find coal mines in Kerala. Like this, the distribution of resources are unequal. Now next is, for these problems, what happened? Sustainable development is very important. Sustainable development means using the resources very carefully and giving them time to renew, means sustainable development. So for these all problems, sustainable development is very important. For this sustainable development, Global Health Earth Summit happened in 1992 in Rio de Janeiro. There 100 leaders attended this meeting, 100 leaders from all the nations. Then they formed Agenda 21. In this Agenda 21, all leaders of UNCED has taken so many decisions for environment. Now what is the long form of UNCED? UNCED means United Nations Conference of Environment and Development. In this UNCED, many leaders has taken many decisions under Agenda 21 for the use of resources and for environment. Now why this resources planning, why all this agenda is important? Because resources are very important for economic growth, and for future generation also resources are important. Our future generation also needs the resources, and that's why these kind of resource planning is important. Other points we will see in our next video. Till then, you please write all these notes in your copy. Okay, thank you.